everyone, welcome or you come back to my channel, Anthony Lee GMC. And this video today, I would like to share you about the top 3 steps that help you to become a better problem solver. And my channel just focus on 3 main topics that you can looking for. The first one is about branding on social media. So this is that I sharing with you about the marketing tip and about the way how you build up your personal branding or the branding for your company on social media like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn. So I have a playlist for that content. And the second one is about the personal finance. So sharing with you about the tip and the skill how to control your personal finance to make you have a better financial life. And the final one is the productivity tip to sharing about all the knowledge and all the tip and skill that I learned from the top leaders in the world about how to have the productive life. So become a problem solver is one of the most priorities if you really want to get a successful life, because when you know how to solve the problems and become a good at problem solver, the more things that you can achieve in your life as well as in your career. So in this video, I would like to share with you about 3 steps that can help you to achieve this one. So the first one is about change your attitudes. So normally what you do when you look at a problem that's happened in your life, I mean that the way how you change the attitude to see the problems will help you to have the better solutions to solve the problem. For example, like if you have a problem in this side and you just focus on looking like from this angle, you just see, okay, I got this problem. This problem is so terrible. So it's not the way that can help you to solve the problem. So let's think a little bit like we change the angle. You can see from that side. So what the lesson you can learn from this problem? So how you can solve the problem? Yeah, so change the angle, change your attitude. Instead of thinking, oh, this is a terrible problem that I cannot solve it, does this make my life to be massive? Let's think about, okay, change the angle, you see the problem. Let's think, okay, maybe this issues is the opportunities for me to grow up. For example, like coronavirus. Many people say that coronavirus is a terrible. That's true. I agree with this one. It have a lot of negative impact to the community, to society. But let's think, in some way, it's also change the way that's how the society is working now. So before, people need to go to the office, and many people they don't have the time for family. But now because most of the work that we work online, so many people they have a time for their family. They can stay at home, take care of their children, and have a family time. The thing that's a lot of busy modern people that they don't have. So now they can have a lunch together, they can have dinner together, they can drink coffee together and have a time to play with their children when they can continue to work at home. So this is something that's positive happen when coronavirus occur. So let's think about this. What I'm going to share with you. It means that change the attitudes. Even that sometimes the problem can be very terrible, but if you're looking in another angle, it also have some positive impact that this big problem that can happen to your life. So don't always just look at the issues. Look at the negative impact. Try to look at the positive impact. And the second step is be a solution-oriented person. This is the reason that's why many people that feel struggling when they're facing with the problems. I mean, that's when they look at the problem, they always say, why this problem happened to me? I mean, this is terrible for my life. I will never can achieve anything, or I cannot do anything because this problem happened. So this is you think about the problem itself, but if you can change to think like you are the solution-oriented person, don't think about the problem, think about the way how you can solve this problem. Let's be solution-oriented person. Let's ask you questions. So what I should do to solve this problem, and and how I can solve this problem in a better way, in a faster way. The more focus on the solutions, the more good results, the more good solution that you can find out, and the faster solution that you can figure out. So let's remember like this: when you show the problem in the better way and faster way, the more solutions you have, the better achievement you get, and the more success will come. And the final thing that I want to share with you is ask yourself every single day as an expert in solution. So this is some question that I already prepared for you, so you can practice every single day to ask yourself when you facing with a specific problem, like how you can try to solve this problem, in which way you can figure out maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 ways that can help you to solve this problem, and think about which way is the best that you can apply immediately to help you solve the problem. Can you do something better that help you to solve the problem, or what is the limiting factor that determines you to achieve the most important goal? So these kind of questions will help you to build up your mind and build up your actions to be a better solution-oriented person. And what the problem that if you can solve in the faster and effective way, it can help you to move rapidly in your career. Yeah, so this is the way how you create the questions to ask yourself every single day to help you to become a better solution-oriented person. And what is the most serious problem that you really want to solve is today? Let's comment below. Let's try to figure out that's how we can do it together to help you to solve the problem. And thank you for watching this video, and hoping that this tip will help you to understand more and help you to have some technique that can make you to become a better solution-oriented person. And this is one video in my productivity tips series. So if you want to know more about how to build up the personal branding or branding on social media, or about finance, personal finance, you can check it out on another playlist. Thank you for watching my video, and see you in the next video. Anthony Lee GMC.